we're going to do today? Well, we're going to play a game. Today, we're learning about animals and their habitats. Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, let's play a matching game to learn about each animal and where they live. Here's how we play. I will show you some pictures. One will be an animal and the other two will be habitats where they might live. Your job is to match the animal to its correct habitat. Okay, are you ready to play? Here we go. Listen carefully. What's that sound? Yes, that's a lion's roar. This big cat roars to show its strength. But where does it live? Is it A, in the icy Arctic, or B, in the vast savanna? What do you think? You got it. B is the correct match. The lion lives in the vast savanna. The savanna is full of grasslands where lions can hunt and roam freely. Lions are so majestic and powerful. Do you know what the lion's nickname is? The king of the jungle. What a great nickname. All right, what's next? Listen. Do you hear that sound? You know what? I know that sound too. It's a frog. Frogs love to jump and to swim. But where do they live? Is it A, in a pond, or B, in the desert sand? Yes, of course. A is the correct match. Frogs love to live in ponds. Ponds are perfect because they can swim, lay eggs, and catch bugs to eat. Oh. That sounds like chirping birds. Oh, look at the birds. Birds love to fly high in the sky. But where do they live? Is it in a tree in the forest or B, deep in the ocean? That's right. A is the correct match. Birds make their homes in trees in the forest. Forests are full of trees where birds can build nests and find food. Let's listen and see if we can guess the next animal. Listen. I have a guess. Do you? Yes, it sounds like an elephant. Let's take a closer look. Look at the elephant with his big trunk. Elephants are one of the largest land animals, but where do they live? Is it A, in the ocean, or B, in the jungle? What did you guess? B is the answer. Elephants live in jungles and savannas where they can find plenty of food and water. Okay, you're doing really well. Let's play again. Listen carefully. Wow, that isn't a sound that we hear very often. Do you know what it is? Look. It's a whale! Whales are enormous and they live in the ocean. But where exactly in the ocean do they live? Is it A, in shallow water near coral reefs? Or B, in the deep ocean? What do you think? You should not see a whale living in the shallow water. B is the correct match. Whales live deep in the open ocean. The ocean is vast and it's perfect for whales to swim great distances. Okay, do you want to play one more time? All right, what's that sound? Wow, a wolf. Cool. Okay, but Do you know where a wolf lives? Is it A, in the Arctic, or B, in the forest? What do you think? Absolutely right. B is the correct match. Wolves live in the forest. Forests are perfect. It's a perfect environment for wolves to hunt and live in packs. How did you do today? Did you get most of the answers right? I hope so. We learned so much today about animals and their habitats. It was so much fun, and I can't wait to do it again. See you next time. Bye-bye.